I want to go over some of the tools you can use to remind you of all the options you have for completing this assignment today. So this assignment, your warm-up, is all about calculating tip. Remember that another word for tip is gratuity. You will see that word in this activity. So on slide 2, the first part, they give you some information about how much a restaurant bill was, and then they tell you how much the family or the person tipped on that amount. So they want you to calculate what the percent was. Keep in mind, if I know the bill and I know the tip amount for this part, what you're looking for would be what percent of the bill the tip amount is. So in that first row, for example, we would need to calculate what percent of 80 that $15 is. When you're using your bar model, you have line tools here if you want to use that to separate things out. You also have the scribble tool, and that allows you to draw things in. Remember though, you have to click again to keep drawing things. All right, percent equation key. Make sure that you are typing in the percent equation that you used to solve this problem. You're going to develop it from your bar model. Part 2 is a little bit different, same process, but now we know all the servers receive 18% gratuity on their sales. Each server has an amount of money that they want to make. It's their desired gratuity. This means how much tip they want to take home. So in these, the tip or the hint I'm going to give you is if server 1 wants to take home $100 worth of gratuity or tips, and we know that that's got to be 18% of his sales, then I need $100 to equal 18% on my bar model. So I would put in 18% here. Of course, I keep forgetting to do that. And then on the top, I know that's got to equal my $100. All right. And the last slide, you're going to, if it'll let me select it here. So on slide 4, this is about room service, and they give you an equation. They let you know the percent equation right here. G equals 0.15B. G is the gratuity you get, B would be the food bill. So you will use that equation to solve A, B, and C.